are today, walking away with all 3 points. In that quarterfinal, Ronwen wasn't there. Ronwen wasn't there today.
Yeah, that's true. They started with Onyango on their MTN 8.
Yeah.
And it has been coming. That air looked very nice. It's so beautiful. But let's also look on what did Polokwane City did, which was special today. You look into their two back pairing, Nikane and Kake, together with Matuludi as well. So the consistency is there at Polokwane City, if we can look. And this was not a coincidence. If you can see, they are performing and they are doing exceptionally well under the coach Moafe, because you can look that the formation that they were playing today, it's 4-1-4-1 formation, where they strike with decide Chauk as well, that side. You can see Apolis was also there. What a goal from Cape